So today we are going to discuss the switch statement or switch case of selection statement. So now if we have the knowledge of multiple if-else if, then we can say that switch case is an alternate of multiple if-else. But why switch case is available then? If we want to make a discussion on that, now it is not the right time. So let us first check how switch case is working, or what is the syntax of switch case first. So we are going to make our switch case. So that is switch case. Then what is the syntax? That is switch. Here you have to apply a variable or an expression. Expression may be a formula or any statement. So this is variable. Let me take case constant 1. Constant here I want to indicate as a value. Then you have to write statement for that case if that case will be satisfied. So statement, whatever you want to display, then below statement you can apply a break. This is the syntax of your switch case. So like that you can follow as many as cases you like. So this is constant n and statement. If none of the cases will be satisfied, then you have to go for the default. And here we will provide a statement. That is in case of default, it is your choice whether you want to apply a break or not, because the default will be executed at the end. So now out of this, the default is optional, break is optional. Then how it is optional, that we will discuss, and what is the benefit of using break, that again we will discuss. For the time being, we are just going to take an example. Let us consider the example like this. We have to input a 3-digit number. For example, the number is 123, and I want to display the last digit, that is 3, maybe 3, in word. So that we have to display. So first what we have to do, we have to find out the remainder. So 3 for example, and that reminder we have to store in a variable. For example, r is the variable where I want to store, because we know how to display the reminder. So here we may apply variable as r, and if this r is equal to 1, then we have to display 1. If r is equal to 2, we have to display 2. If r is equal to 3, we have to display 3. Like that we have to continue up to 0, or starting from 0 we have to continue up to 9, right? So this is the way how we will go for. So now let me write the question. Write a program to accept a number from the user and display the last digit in word, right? So for that, let me move to the program directly, because already we know how to display the last digit. So here we have to import java.util.scanner public class last digit in word. So public static wordman string args scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Then here we will write int n. Then let me provide the message system.out.print, enter a 3-digit number n equal to sc.next int. So here we have to find out the reminder r equal to n mod 10. So this will display the last digit. So here we will write swit switch the variable r. Let us put the curly bracket. Now case 0, the last digit may be 0. System.out.println. So last digit is 0. Now here we have to say break. So let me provide this answer. So like that, I just want to copy and paste the entire thing. So let me make this one as 1, and here I have to change as 1. Let me make this Z capital. So now second case, this is if the case is 2, then we have to say that is 2. Then similarly for 3, we will make this one as 3. Now it is 4. Now make it is 5. Let us make this one as 6, because choice, the last digit depending on the user, it will provide the answer. 6. Let me make this one as 7. Then let me make this one as 8. Now the last one. So there is no need to make the last one as case. We can make this one as default, right? So this one as default, and if none of the cases will be satisfied, so we know that then last case will be the 9. So default is not required at the end. So default is optional. Break is optional, as well as default is optional. That we will discuss how default is optional. So let me save the program as what is that, last digit in word. Let me copy this one, file save as. On the same location I want to copy last digit in word dot java. So now let me open command prompt, d drive cd java prg java c last digit in word java. So I have not declared the variable r, so let me declare the variable as r. Save, and now make cls to make the screen clear. Now we will get the correct form. So now I have to go for java last digit in word. So let me make this one like this: 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So we are getting all the answers. So if we will provide 130, again 0 will be provided. So this is how it will work. So I said default is optional. So in that case, I can make this one as case 9, and here it is up to me whether I want to put break or not. So if break is not required, then also it will work. Let me clear. So again I am going for 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So default and break both are optional, but it is a good sign to apply default whenever you are thinking that no more cases will be required. Right now the question is, r is a variable here. Now can I apply an expression? So if I want to apply expression, then simply I have to change this one as an mod 10, and here there is no need to declare a variable. So let me compile the program. CLS. So 124, I just want to check only one number, so I'm getting the answer. There is one. Now 128, so again I'm getting the answer. Now you can apply a variable or an expression along with switch. Now the question is, what will happen? The question is like this: can I apply default as the first line, or instead of putting that on the last line, can I put default on any location of my choice? The answer is yes. But if you will put default as the first line or any other line, then remember, always you have to place a break after that. At the end, if you are going to place, there is no need to put break, but if you will place on any other area other than the last line, then break is compulsory. Now the question is why, we will discuss. So let me run the program. So it is 120, fine. 121, it is fine. 122, again fine. 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So answer is there. Now let me erase break. So once you will omit the break, then let us check what is going on. Compile and run. So 120, you are getting 0, but once I will provide 129, because 9 is the default part, you will get last digit 9, as well as you will get the answer after that, whichever be available. So after that, what is there? 0 is available, so you will get last digit 9 as well as last digit is 0. The meaning is, if we will not use break, then from wherever the condition will be satisfied, it will display all the statements from that onwards. So for example, the default is not there along with default, break is not there along with default. For 0, break is not there. For 1, break is not there. For 2, break is not there. For 3, break is there. So that means if I will provide 129, it will display 9, 0, 1 and 2. So let us check. So it is 129, so it will display 0, 1, 2, 3 along with 9, because 9 is the default part. So this is how break is required and break is not required. So that is up to your choice. So when you have to execute more than one statement, similar statements, then go for cases without break, and if you want to display a particular statement, then go for break. So let me, but this answer is somewhat not providing a correct form. So let me take this default to the last one. So now you can ask me a question how it is. If I will provide a 4-digit number, still it will work. One 1234. So same answer is same, but I don't want to display that. So for that you can apply if else along with switch case or switch case along with if. So here I want to do this. So from the beginning I will check if n is greater than equal to 100 and n is less than equal to 999, then only all the statements will be executed, otherwise not. All right, so let me change this word ref. So because indentation is a good sign of a good programmer, so that's why I just want to make indentation. So this is the format. Then here we will provide if else. Now here we will provide a message, that is System.out.println, please input a 3-digit number. So let me save and allow me to run the program. Compile. 1234, please input a 3-digit number. 12, input a 3-digit number. 123, answer is 3. So this is how the switch case and if are working combinedly. Now this much for this class. Thank you.